Hey girls, so I am starting a deep conditioner series where I go through different deep conditioners and we discuss which ones are best for low porosity hair. And this time I use TGIN. And TGIN stands for Thank God It's Natural, so it's supposed to be a natural made deep conditioning treatment. So I'm using the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. So since it has honey in it, it is a humectant, which is generally good for dry hair because it draws in moisture from the atmosphere, and my hair really responds well to honey, so I'm expecting my hair to really love this hair mask and kind of soak it in and get all the good benefits from it. So I put the TGIN in my hair last night and I put it in these French braids. I haven't been able to master how to French braid my hair super tight because it's so thick and I have a hard time like getting through it and tightening it, but eventually I am going to get better at it. But anyways, I put the hair mask in last night and then I put my conditioning cap on for about 30 minutes and then I actually just slept with the deep conditioner in my hair because it was late and I was tired and I figured I'd just rinse it out today. So I'm going to rinse it out and show you what my hair looks like when I come back. Okay, here's my hair. There's no products in. I just rinsed out the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. My hair is about 80% dried. I used the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I washed my hair last night, and then I used a deep conditioner in the shower. I applied it to my wet hair and then like I said, I slept with it in and then I rinsed it out this morning. And as you can see, there's no product in my hair. It is a bit frizzy, but there is curl definition. So my hair has always been frizzy, but it's been hard to get it to be defined. So I can tell this TGIN hair mask really works and it kind of penetrates my hair and absorbs into my hair, and it really gets my curls going and looking nice and beautiful. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go today. So this is the framework or the foundation for a good wash and go. Because if the curls are already starting to form before you even apply product, once you put the product on, it's really going to get them hydrated and moisturized, and your curls are really going to be defined, nice and moisturized. So deep conditioner is the foundation to every great hairstyle. So we're going to be doing a series to find out what deep conditioners work the best with low porosity hair. So TGIN gets a 10 out of 10 from me. I love it. It's a great product. The honey is a humectant, so it draws in moisture from the atmosphere. It gives you really defined hair, really nice, soft, everything you'd want your hair mask to give you. So if you're at Sally's or Target or anywhere where you see this product, I would pick it up. Now it is in the $20 price range, so if that is the price you're not willing to pay for a deep conditioner, don't worry, I will be showing other more affordable ones and hopefully they'll work just as well. But if you're willing to spend the money for a good quality product, I'd highly recommend you pick this one up because it is great. But until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings and queens.